Friends, this is Bhupati Raj, Mantra IAS Academy, Hyderabad. Now onwards, a very important point I'm taking here. That's what I call general awareness, called as static GK for all competitive examinations. Right? That you say A to Z in the point of CUET, CLAT, LAWCET, AILET, SLAT. At the same time, UPSC fundamental points. Right? Even in the point of UPSC CDS, you take it, of course, PFO and Civil Services Examination. Right? NDA. You write any examination, my friend. This is what you call Staff Selection Commission, state level exams, TSPSC, anything, TGPSC, of course, any place, any exam you write, the static GK plays a key role. So that I'm going to upload from today, right? Daily or alternate day, something. Just watch my video regularly. By that, it helps you a lot, of course. You can definitely develop your GK. So, same point, I will share the question paper, friends. Just look at the questions and try to give the answers. Yeah. First question. The national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India in 1947 on which date? That's very important point, please. Of course, you know, India got independence, right? That's 15th of August 1947, my friends. So the point in the case is what? Before that, we have adopted the national flag. On which date it is? June 22nd, B. July 22nd, C. August 15, and none. Beta answer is July 22nd. Remember, it's very important question. Generally, there's a chance of asking this type of questions. Yeah. Next one. What's the ratio of the width to the length of the national flag of India? Beta, please, what's the ratio of the width first to the length? W is to length. So this is the point. I'm not asking length is to width, remember. So that's a crucial one. You have to observe which is first actually. Width is there or length is there. In this case, width beta. So the option is 2:5, 2:3, 3:4, none. Beta answer is 2:3. Yes. Now the great, of course, we have the question number 3 here, right? The Telugu personality question here. Who designed the national flag? Option A, Mahatma Gandhi, B, Jawaharlal Nehru, C, Pingali Venkaiah, D, none. I gave you the answer already. The great man, our Telugu great personality, Pingali Venkaiah. Then go to question number 4th, beta. Lal Bahadur Shastri, Jayanti was observed on which day? Beta, in this case, what I think you know, he's the second Prime Minister of this wonderful country, right? And you know that is, of course, the first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru. He passed away in 1964. Then from 64 to, right, 66. Just for 13 days in between we have, that's great, right, acting Prime Minister were there. That's Guljari Lal Nanda. Then immediately that you can see in 1964, of course, the second Prime Minister was Shastri ji, and he was up to 1966. And very unfortunate, we missed the great man. Sudden death in Tashkent, that you know, right? So one more, this is a great personality, gave one slogan called as Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. This is the slogan given by Lal Bahadur Shastri, right? One more thing added by our wonderful Prime Minister Vajpayee ji, Jai Vigyan also. That's whenever it comes, I'll tell you. So answer for this question is Shastri ji's birthday is same as Mahatma Gandhi's, same date. That was what you call here, October 2nd. Next beta. It is, of course, now Jana Gana Mana, Vande Mataram. These are very crucial points to observe. Friends, in the case, you know, Jana Gana Mana was adopted by the Constituent Assembly as the national anthem of India on which date? It's very important question, beta. Please observe that. Very, very interesting and important point, please. You focus upon it. By that, right, you will get clarity upon it, beta. Please observe the major point in this case. Option A, January 26, 1950, Jan 26th of 1949, January 24, 1950, and none. Baba, just tell me the answer. What is that, sir? That's an important question, of course, I told you already. Now just focus on it and tell me. Yeah, because Jana Gana Mana, our national anthem, it is no doubt written by Rabindranath Tagore. So, adopted by the Constituent Assembly as national anthem, and which date? So that is the question beta here. So I think definitely not A, right? Because of Jan 26 is not the answer, but just 2 days before of that you remember January 24th. And one more important point, the question number 6 beta. Now of course it's very interesting and important point. Remember, right? So this is what you call here the 150 years of Vande Mataram recently. That's Government of India is observing, right? So, very great issue. Question is upon that only. National song Vande Mataram by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee was taken from which novel? But option A, Anand Mat, B, Geeta Govind, C, Jai Hind, and D, none. No doubt, of course, this is Anand Mat. But you might be knowing the fact it's in the Indian National Congress Calcutta session, the first time sung by our great Vande Mataram, first time in the Indian National Congress sung by Rabindranath Tagore, remember. Rabindranath Tagore wrote national anthem, but he's, of course, Vande Mataram by first time by this great man only. So now we finished, of course, 150 years of this Vande Mataram, and it plays a key of, it played already a key, wonderful, it's a great, what do you consider, at the time of freedom struggle, right? It's the role, of course, Vande Mataram role is, you know well. So option is Anand Mat, right? Next question number 7th beta. What's the playing time of the full version of the national anthem? Option A, 50 seconds, B, 51 seconds, and C, 52 seconds. And of course, the answer is definitely 52 seconds, my friends. And in this case, I want to ask you a very important point in this case, just you have to know everybody that which religious group in India has its highest urban population? We have two types of population. Imagine the rural population and urban, if you divide this. So one segment, right, lives the majority in cities, urban population. Which religious group? Option A, Jains, Buddhists, Muslims, D, none. Yes, answer is Jains beta. That's a very interesting question. Now, question number 9th, I'll suggest it's a very, a casual observe this very important question here. According to the survey of the consumers by the RBI, among the currency notes, which is the most preferred denomination, we have different types of denominations, you know, today, right? Right example, 10 rupee denomination is there, 20 is there, 50, 100, right? And you can say 200 note also there and 500 rupees note is also there. So which is the preferable in this case is option? Yes, 100 rupees is the right answer, my friends. Question number 10th. Which is the India's largest plantation crop? Option A, coffee, B, tea, and C, rubber. No doubt the answer for this question is rubber. Which city is known as the Weavers' City? And it has its own significance, right? If I tell you the year 1526, oh, I give the answer, I think you understood, right? 1526 specialty is what, my dear, right? Yeah, that's between Babur and, of course, Ibrahim Lodi. The first Panipat war, right? First Panipat. And this is what you can say, entry of Mughals to this wonderful country. So which city is that? Yeah, it's Panipat. Next question, beta. IMF was established. Please remember, I'm asking about established. I'm not asking came into force or came into existence. I'll tell you that IMF came into existence in the month of December, my dear. Exactly, if you want a date, December 27, 1945. IMF, this is what you can say. It came into existence. But my question is, what is that, please? Established in which year? So option is not of 1945. So it's none beta. It's established in July 1944. You remember, that's a, please be cautious and don't give the answer immediately 1945. That's answer is 1944. Then go to question number 13th. Which is India's largest commercial bank? No doubt the wonderful bank, of course, State Bank of India. I think you know its name was previously Imperial Bank of India, right? Imperial Bank of India was the whole name of SBI. So that is what is SBI, State Bank of India, is the largest commercial bank of our country. Now, and of course, you know the significance of this also. Wherever RBI branch is not there, SBI act as what you can say, right? Same. That's a bank for the government of concerned state. Right, tractors are produced maximum by which company? Option A, Bharat Benz, B, Tata Motors, and C, Mahindra. No doubt this is the answer. Mahindra is the right answer, beta. Now, just very important point previously I mentioned about RBI here. The question is that only. RBI established in which year? Reserve Bank of India established in which year? That's of course no doubt before independence only. That's 1935, my friends. Right? Of course, after that we have nationalized after independence, secondary matter. But point is what? It's established in the year of 1935. That's RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Please remember who is the governor of RBI. You have to focus on this type of current affairs bits also. Whenever you write any examination, right, from today onwards, I am going to upload different type of GK questions. In the beginning, of course, I've taken the basic questions. Daily, I'll upload some questions. Definitely, these all the questions they will be helping you for you that, right, you can write any exam easily, my friends. Follow my channel and subscribe to this channel. Those who are willing to join our programs like CUET or CLAT or you say LAWCET, any entrance examination, our UPSC Civil Services right, PCM program, right, individual modules, most welcome to Mantra IAS Academy. Have a great time. Bye-bye, my friends.